The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Rosedale Acupuncture and Wellness. We're talking about treating chronic pain in a holistic way today with Dr. Lucas Brown of Rosedale Acupuncture and Wellness. Specifically, we're discussing fibromyalgia. Dr. Brown, talk to me about the symptoms that someone might come into you with of fibromyalgia.
Sure. If fibromyalgia is a chronic pain where the body's pain receptors are cranked up on high, and it can be debilitating, not only the pain, but also a lot of fatigue that comes with it, or brain fog. And it can often be cyclical where you have flare-ups, but when those flare-ups hit, you're pretty much bedridden in some cases.
Mm-hmm. And we have one of your patients that we're going to hear from today. It's Katie. Let's go ahead and take a listen.
Before coming to Rosedale, my daily life was very, very limited. I had limited mobility due to hypermobility and joint pain, as well as fibromyalgia. I was in bed pretty much most of the time for about a month or so prior to coming. It took away all my mobility. I had done physical therapy. I had done a steroid injection even. I felt that this practice had the type of methods and expertise and knowledge to really just treat the whole issue, holistically. My pain level before was usually between 8 and 10, and now it's 1 or 0. I've gone from not being able to sit for any length of time without pain to, going back to the movie theater, being able to drive longer, and being able to go to a restaurant. Even though things do take time, healing is kind of always happening, and it is always possible. I'm just relieved that it worked, that it helped.
Dr. Brown, how does it feel to hear Katie's testimonial there?
I mean, truly, I think she's a prime example of someone who maybe not quite given up hope, but it really impacted her life, and we're able to give her back her life, so to speak. And I love that, because I do think with these kind of conditions, it's so easy just to give up hope and think there's nothing that can be done. But it is definitely an individualized treatment, and we're treating the individual in front of us, not just the symptoms.
So if someone is watching today, maybe they've been on this chronic pain journey and they're ready to find some hope again, how can they get started with you?
Yeah, so just come have a conversation with me. We'll do a little detective work, see what's going on, and if I feel like I can help you, I'll give you my best recommendation.
I appreciate a man who knows what he's doing.
Absolutely.
Dr. Brown, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Set up a complimentary consultation today by calling 512-623-1996 or by going to rosedaleacuwell.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Rosedale Acupuncture and Wellness.